Well, a traditional 401k or an IRA is really a Ponzi scheme. The IRS promises that they'll honor their word to you, but last year we saw them change every traditional IRA and 401k and how they're distributed after you die, which basically means there's no more generational wealth. And IULs and whole life policies are 90% cheaper than any IRA or 401k because you can withdraw the cash benefit from those policies and invest them elsewhere right now, and you get a tax-free benefit.
So what he just said is something that we talk about a lot with life insurance policies. Once you build cash value in that policy, so say you put a bunch of money into the cash value account, it's growing with interest over the years. Even when you pull that money out, you're still gaining interest as if you never borrowed from it. So if you had $200,000 and you pull a loan out of that policy for $100K, you have the $100,000 in your hand, but you're still gaining interest on $200,000 inside that account. And this is one of the main reasons that I always say that personally, I would rather put my money in insurance policies than like a 401k or an IRA, which is what I do in real life. The reason for that is because it allows you to be active with your money and invest it in multiple things at the same time and gain interest in two separate places. And the other thing that he said that's extremely important is the tax benefits that happen when you do pull money out of an insurance policy. When you pull money out of a life insurance policy, you do not pay taxes on them. Technically, you're not actually pulling your cash out. You're taking out a loan with the value of that account as collateral. So you don't pay any taxes on loans. These accounts are essentially impervious to all these insane tax regulations that historically have gotten increasingly worse over time because the government seems to hate us.